Hey everybody. Well, I am going to update my BIOS system on my motherboard. This is the MSI Z490 MPG gaming motherboard. Z490. Now I'm updating the BIOS because I haven't updated the BIOS because when I got the board it didn't need it, but now because the 11th gen is coming, so you can put the 11th gen Intel CPU in the Z490, so they have a BIOS update. So what I'm going to do is we are going to update this motherboard for that CPU, because you want to have your motherboard just updated, but you got to be careful, because remember, you can't end up bricking this thing and have to go buy a new one. So have it hooked up right, have no power problems. People in Texas don't do it. People in Texas, you don't do it. I mean, nobody should do it right now who is in bad weather. Don't update your BIOS if you're in bad weather right now, okay? Because your power is not working right. So don't do this. Now I'm going to go show you the update and what it's saying. Hold on. Okay, so that's the motherboard I have. Everybody's seen it. This is their update, and it says, what's the date on this? 2/4. So this is for update ME, and see, update the GPU includes NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3000. Oops. Okay, yeah, the BIOS update compatible. See, wait. Compatible. See, BIOS to be compatible with the 11th gen Intel processor, improves compatibility of PCI based devices. You can see that. So this is, I've downloaded. You have to download this. You have to download this and put it on a USB thumb drive. Then I'm going to show you where you have to put it after you've downloaded it. You have to have the right motherboard, because if you put this on a different motherboard, you're going to mess that motherboard up. So let's go show you where the USB is. You have to put your USB into the motherboard itself, not into the PC and not into the case USBs, but you have to put it directly into the motherboard. See? Into the motherboard. This is hooked into the blue, is this moving? Wait a minute. Oh, no, it's not. See, it's hooked up in there. MPG. So now, let's update it. What that say? It says system will auto reboot flash mode. Do you wish to enter? Yes, I do. Oops. So that is my USB, that's SanDisk. Crucial, that's where it is. So now we got to click on that. Okay. I'm gonna click on it again. Where is it? Hold on. Okay, so it's that C7, C9. That's it right there. So now we gotta click on it. And that's what we gotta put in. See it right there? The E7C. So we gotta put that. We gotta click that. Okay. Are you sure to select this file? Select file won't be able to support Celeron processors. I do not have a Celeron processor. I have an i7-1010. Here we go. Oops. Here we go. BIOS updating. So now you have to be careful. You don't want the power to go out. You don't want nothing, no wires tripped, anything. It's being updated for the 11th gen CPU. This is a Z490 MPG gaming Wi-Fi Bluetooth. So that's what this is being done. And why is my camera action so bad right now? Because I bought the motherboard May 30th of 2020. So I'm just finally updating the BIOS on this motherboard. There ain't been no problems, but it might maybe make it a little bit better since I've had it and stuff. Ain't nothing's wrong with it or anything. You sometimes need to update your stuff, but know what you're doing. Know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, call a professional. You might have to pay some money. Call a professional. Because I've been using computers since the 80s, 90s, 2000s. Dating the BIOS. Man, my temperature is good. See, it's 39. My temperature is good and stuff. Look at that. There she is. Now let's see. There it is, starting back up. And that's just my steering wheel that's making that noise. So for me to get to my BIOS, now this is the way I do it. I will hold down, I will hold down this, my shift, hold it. Y'all gonna have to bear with me because I got to hold the camera and push the shift button. Hold the shift button and push restart at the same time. So now, hold on. Okay, so now he'll shift like that. So now, gotta go to troubleshoot, go to advanced, and this, and restart. So we can see if the update is in there, and that steering wheel is kicking my ass. Okay, so are we updated? Let's see her. Where the hell is the update on this thing? Yeah, there we go. Built, where is it? Well, I see it, but today's the 20th. So there it is. It says 0. I'll push it in. See, 021 2021. So it's been updated. BIOS has been updated. See it? And now it is for the 11th gen. So if I want to go buy the 11th gen CPU, I can now put it into the Z4 motherboard. Oh, you know what? Let's see. Let's look at that. Okay, it says, because it's in there, is Intel iCore i7 10700K over, my overclocker. And it's been updated, so now you can now put the 11th gen in this sucker. Will I buy it? No, I won't buy it because I'm good with the CPU that's in there. So to me it saves money because now I don't have to buy the Z590. Now if I wanted to just unbox it for you guys, I would, but the price is so sucky right now. So that's it for the BIOS update on it. Let's back up and look at it again and see. Hold on. I'm gonna get a better thumbnail for y'all.